I'm finna go up with a 1616. Just cause.
And I'm trying to get a new graphics card. I don't even know what type this is. I got it from my homeboy for a small ass price, but it's not that good anyways.
So when y'all come back, or when Jay come back, we ready to shoot.
Y'all know about smoking?
Who's jacking his and expecting that like silhouette or that character to be at the same TV spot, and then like that person's not there, so he just sits on the bed, and the shot zooms out, you know, showing that the camera is on the roof, zooming from the window. So like that's gonna be hard. The shot that I'm excited to do is one of those. There's a shot on the roof, and the softbox. The softbox is like full beam. So this is the window. This is the softbox, or this is the window. This is the window. This is the softbox, and then this is Jay. He's performing right there. So it's gonna be like straight lighting behind him, and the shot's probably gonna go from the side or like from this side or this side, just whatever works according to like the situation. This shouldn't be, you know, it shouldn't be a super long shoot. Just making sure that we get these takes right. We're efficient with the time. Fucking word right here.
We can open them, right? Yeah, I got you. All right, man. All right.
Rolling. Alright, I'll swipe it off. Alright, perfect.
Tyler, come. Come through the window, bro.
So I gotta put the camera in first. What's up, gang? Merry Christmas Eve.
I never knew you. Shawty and leave, she said we compatible from the computer. Bitch, and I'm talking whenever we link, cause you know I'ma do you.
And you gonna get in the car. Alright, get in the car. Start moving? Not yet, not yet. There you go.
But you wanna miss a piece, yeah, you complete it. Everything in life is never easy. I know the music alone never. Can't be confined to the same life.